Hello friends, Katal job ni notification to ye hastini jobs YouTube channel na rojotona lamsago. To friends trine Katal job ni notification ka TTA edition bising tina wall in interview ni bising tai tutor lajak nai postgraduate tutor, graduate tutor, undergraduate tutor. Tere wall in interview ni bagai dere jak tango 29 June 2022 ni simi 2 July 2022 rana tai time khe 10 am ni simi interview ni place angka Sikla Bhavan TTA DC Khumlang o place rana wall in interview lajak nai fighting ke sang postgraduate tutor ni bagai subject wise vacancy na lenai tero subject jotango English, Cockbrook, Mathematics, Chemistry, Physics, Biology, History, Geography o mahai total miligina total 15 vacancy tongo education qualification nangnai master degree nangnai tai preferable rajak nai tai narajara TET qualify khlajak tongnai rok tere preferable rajak nai tai MA BEd special course khlajak tongke tere preferable rajak nai tai ro English medium school 5 years teaching experience tongke tere preferable rajak nai tai knowledge of Cockbrook and Tripura ni jekono indigenous language manna karang tongke tere preferable rajak nai ro 17,000 obni lekha janai nai graduate tutor ni bagai hinke BA ni bagai 18 te BCom 6 BSc pure 6 BSc bio 8 te B physical education ni bagai 2 science ni bagai 2 computer 2 arts painting 2 music 2 yoga 2 te total subject miligino ro 50 vacancy tongo te qualification nangnai bachelor's degree from a recognized university te BA BCom BSc teino graduate complete khaja tongke o job ni bagai apply khlaimana te preferable jaknai te qualify te BEd te DLEd te DEd tong course khaja tongke te preferable jaknai te English medium school 5 years teaching experience tongke te preferable jaknai knowledge of Cockbrook tongke preferable jaknai te Tripura ni jekono indigenous language manna karang tongke preferable jaknai te BCA or engineering in computer science graduate computer tutor o mohai course khlaja tongke te preferable jaknai paring ke jang undergraduate tutor ni bagai nelainai undergraduate tutor ni bagai hinke total 35 vacancy tongo high secondary arts commerce and science te tinta post miligina te total vacancy tongo 100 te undergraduate tutor ni bagai qualification nangnai high secondary pass khlaja nangnai te preferable jaknai te preferable jaknai science commerce arts te diet DEd special course khlaja tongke te preferable jaknai te English medium school 5 years teaching experience tongke te preferable jaknai te knowledge of Cockbrook Tripura ni jekono indigenous language manna karang tongke te preferable jaknai o job ni bagai as tongna nangnai 18 years ni simi 40 years jora te jeni ST HC ni bagai hinke 5 years realization jaknai hinke 45 years jora tinya rumanai o job ni bagai wall in interview ni thangpuro jang loge dilang nangnai self attested copies of PATC admit card of madhyamik for S proof certificate marksheet high secondary graduate postgraduate DS special DLEd BEd special BEd MEd and certificate of teaching experience the recent passport size photograph te interview ni thangpuro o mohai document te certificate tilangaina interview marinai to friends noro nogoi mankana TTA DC ni bising tino Katal tutor job ni bagai notification o mohai katal job ni video naina bagai hasteni job channel subscribe khlai support khlai di